Water is essential for our survival. But do you know where the water around us actually comes from? All the water on Earth consists of 97.5% salt water and 2.5% fresh water. Of this 2.5% fresh water, 68.7% is locked in glaciers and ice caps, making it difficult to access. Therefore, only 1.2% surface water, like rivers, lakes, and water vapor, and 30.1% groundwater are practically available for human use. In other words, nearly 99% of the usable fresh water we rely on is groundwater. Surface water moves by gravity, seeping through the gaps in soil and rocks to infiltrate the underground strata. It flows very slowly, moving just a few centimeters to a few meters per day. This groundwater acts like massive pillars of water, supporting the ground above it. What would happen if this groundwater moves and leaves an empty space behind? The ground could collapse, resulting in sinkholes. Because groundwater moves slowly but is constantly flowing, it requires continuous monitoring. If we fail to check groundwater levels and quality, we cannot prevent sinkholes caused by ground subsidence, and securing a stable groundwater supply becomes incredibly difficult. To prevent these problems, SEM-MULTE monitors groundwater levels and water quality. Based on this observation data, we provide an artificial intelligence solution to ensure the sustainable use of groundwater. In particular, we have successfully developed SEM, a device that measures water levels and quality, successfully overcoming the limitations of conventional measurement methods. SEM allows even non-experts to easily replace and operate the equipment. It is also highly economical, as users can select the measurement range depending on their region. Furthermore, by regularly digitizing observation data, we provide customized solutions to ensure that groundwater in the area can be used sustainably. SEM uses LiDAR, a laser distance measurement technology, to precisely measure the distance from the surface down to the groundwater level. Additionally, it uses sensors to acquire essential water quality information, including electrical conductivity, TDS, temperature, and pH levels. SEM can be utilized in the following areas. First, agricultural and commercial use. It supports farms in securing a continuous supply of agricultural water. For bottled water companies, it provides accurate water level data to help efficiently extract and produce water. Second, public management and disaster prevention. Because SEM can monitor wider areas than existing systems, it is highly advantageous for government agencies' ground subsidence prevention efforts. It also contributes to solving drought issues by analyzing regular groundwater monitoring network data from public institutions. Third, infrastructure and civil engineering. It provides stable water level and quality management systems to smart cities and smart factories. Moreover, at civil engineering sites involving deep excavation, its automated analysis report feature greatly reduces the burden of continuous observation tasks. Moving forward, SEM-MULTE aims to collect data in more regions, utilize national public data, and expand the application of AI technology. Thank you.